Not like the latest quiz video facts available now, so just I request you be carefully completely watching my video, and I request you be carefully again watching my video, always to be supporting me, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this quiz. Okay, my dear friend, this question to be right answer I will give you was Buenos video not Rihane. Yes, my dear friend, before getting engaged and 2080, Peter Edwards and Ariana Grande spilled up the truth. This is the right answer, right answer, not. Okay, my dear friend, this question Azad be sharing TV right answer. This is the question to be right answer. I will give you right answer, not. Besides the making a name of himself as a TV actor, River Haschels of is an economist singer. I be right answer hot. Kristen Stewart and Robert Pattinson are starting dating after Kim Kardashian on the Kanye West. This is the question to be right answer not. Right answer not. Okay guys, this NBA legend was the remover to the have the keep it a running list of the everyone how ever wronged him in order to stay motivated. This question to be right answer hot. Okay my guy, in 2022 two celebs dominated the tabloids when they restarted their romantic relationship with she which ended in 2004. This question to be right answer, it was obviously like be 2021. Okay, this is the athlete stripper away from the tennis to take the care of her mental health. The 2020 shocking the sports world in the procedure. Right answer not. Nicki Minaj and the Melly Chris Harvey every public feud in 2015 while attending the MTV Video Music Awards. Right answer hot. Okay, at the 2020 Met Gala, Kim Kardashian wore the same dress from the Marilyn Monroe, the same one she sang John Candy F. Candy. Right answer hot. Okay guys, this the mega pop star liquored the powder of the and purchased powder the donates in California donate shop. Allegedly right answer hot. Okay, 2018 the longest concert ever took place with the Zistro the electronic music mastered at the helping the LSD whooping 40 hours long. Right answer not. Britney Spears won the dramatic the legal battle of the against of the father 2021, which was supported by the Free Britney movements. Right answer hot. Okay guys, the German pop star found the inspiration of the stage naming the an IKEA Catholic. Right answer not. Kanye West left the searching over the hairs when he took the Twitter and blasted Billie Eilish for helping a fan receiving medical attention during the hair show. Hot. The pop star made the history in 2019 after winning the Teen Choice Hot Award. The future time right answer 4 times is too high. Okay guys, daughter of the rocket legend Ozzy Osbourne, Kelly Osbourne has hosted the Germany Award 3 times. Right answer not. Okay friends, the Emily Blunt with John Christian boy the chance win the planet caster star in episode of The Office. Right answer not. This question to be Ariana Grande teamed of this epic rock band in 2020, blurring gender lines on the process. Right answer hot. 2019 Arena Shake and the Cristiano Ronaldo made headlines after the couple went their separate ways. So right answer it was Bradley Cooper, not be Ronaldo. Okay, my dear friends, you will be checking on the score. So please, I request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you guys.